Are you making the same financial mistakes that could cost you thousands, maybe even your future? Your 20s and 30s are the golden years to build wealth, but one wrong move can set you back decades. Stay with me, because today I'm revealing the 10 biggest financial mistakes young Americans make and how you can avoid them to secure the life you deserve. Let's face it, money can feel overwhelming, especially when you're juggling student loans, rent, and a social life. But trust me, getting your finances right now can mean freedom later. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what mistakes to avoid, but you'll have actionable tips to put yourself on the path to financial success. Let's dive in. Mistake 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. Over 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. The problem? One unexpected expense, like a car repair, can send you spiraling into debt. Start building an emergency fund today. Even saving just $50 a week can add up to a safety net over time. Mistake 2. Not budgeting. If you don't tell your money where to go, you'll wonder where it went. Apps like Mint or YNAB make budgeting easy and even fun. The goal isn't restriction, it's control. Mistake number 3. Ignoring credit scores. Your credit score is your financial reputation. A bad score can mean higher interest rates on loans or even losing out on your dream apartment. Check your credit for free at least once a year and focus on paying off high-interest debt first. Mistake 4. Overspending on lifestyle. The lifestyle creep. When your income increases, so do your expenses. It's tempting to upgrade your car or apartment, but remember, today's luxuries can become tomorrow's burdens. Mistake 5. Skipping investments. Think you need a six-figure salary to start investing? Think again. Investing early, even with small amounts, lets you take advantage of compound interest. A $50 monthly investment in your 20s can grow into six figures by retirement. Mistake 6. Not taking advantage of employer benefits. Your employer's 401k match is essentially free money. If you're not contributing enough to get that match, you're leaving cash on the table. Mistake 7. Relying too much on debt. Credit cards can be a lifesaver, but they can also dig you into a financial hole. Aim to pay off your balance every month and avoid using credit for things you can't afford. Mistake 8. Not having insurance. No one likes paying for insurance, but skipping it can be devastating. Health, renters, and even life insurance are key to protecting yourself from financial disasters. Mistake 9. Neglecting financial education. If you don't understand how money works, someone else will profit off your ignorance. Read books, watch videos like this one, and never stop learning about personal finances. Mistake 10. Delaying financial planning. The biggest mistake of all? Thinking you have plenty of time. The earlier you start, the easier it is to build wealth. Even small steps today can make a huge difference tomorrow. There you have it, the 10 financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s and 30s. Remember, the choices you make today will shape your financial future. Don't let these mistakes hold you back. You've got this. Now it's your turn. Comment below. What's one financial mistake you've made or avoided? And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Let's build a financially smart community together.